તો અહીંયા આપણે ઓપન કરીશું doshi.priyank76.wordpress.com. So I blog મેં maintain કર્યો છે. As I told you that here I am maintaining my material on this web pages, and these are the links to go particular page. In our programming, this kind of web page I have, and in everywhere these are the system of connecting to student, that here I am giving presentations, and these are videos, lab exercise, and books, syllabus, material, sample questions. તો આ રીતના આપણે પોતાનો બ્લોગ બનાવી શકીએ અને બ્લોગ પરથી ડિફરન્ટ પછી કનેક્ટેડ વેબ પેજીસ આપી શકીએ. તો અહીંયા મેનુસ છે, સોરી ટેસ્ટ માટેના ઓપ્શન્સ છે. તો અહીંયાથી તમે ટેસ્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ કરી શકો છો. So these are the facility you can provide to your, this is Google Form that you can create and link with that. So these are the facility you can provide to your viewers, followers. And here you can see ગઈકાલે મેં કીધું હતું કે ડિફરન્ટ કેટેગરીઝની અંદર મારી પોસ્ટ બધી ડિવાઈડ થયેલી છે. અને આર્ચિવમાં તમે જોઈ શકો કે આપણે ક્યારથી શરૂ કર્યું છે, 2014 થી લઈને 2019 સુધી. બહુ રેર, પછી થોડું આપતા જઈએ છીએ, બહુ વધારે નથી ઓનલાઈન રહેવાતું. તો ધીઝ આર ધી ઓલ થિંગ્સ યુ કેન સી. પણ થીમ જુઓ કઈ છે. થીમ બ્લેકબોર્ડની છે, ચોક ડસ્ટર બ્લેકબોર્ડ. એઝ અ ટીચર આઈ હેવ સિલેક્ટેડ ધીસ થીમ. ઘણી સારી થીમ આનાથી પણ સારી મળી શકે તમને. એકોર્ડિંગ ટુ યોર blog topic you should choose the theme. તો અહીંયા આપણે સાઇન ઇન કરી, તો સૌથી પહેલા તો લોગ આઉટ અને લોગિન નો ઓપ્શન છે. લોગ આઉટ કર્યું, એનાથી આપણે લોગ ઇન કરી શકીએ. હું અત્યારે એન્ટર થયો છું કંટ્રોલ પેનલમાં. કંટ્રોલ પેનલની અંદર લાસ્ટ મેં લેક્ચરમાં બતાવ્યું હતું કે મારી અત્યારે ટોટલ 108 પોસ્ટ છે, 15 કમેન્ટ છે, 1 પેજીસ છે, અને સાઇટ સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સ શું કે છે, આ રીતના વ્યૂઝ મને મળેલા છે. આજે એક પણ વ્યૂઝ નથી. ડિસેમ્બર 3, ડિસેમ્બર 2, 2 ડિસેમ્બરે 12 વ્યૂ હતા. તો વ્યૂઝ તો તમને મળતા રહેશે થોડા. તમારે એક્ટિવ રહેવું પડશે એની ઉપર. તો પ્લાનની વાત ગઈકાલે કરી હતી. એડ ન્યૂ પોસ્ટ, એક પોસ્ટ છે જે ઓલ પોસ્ટ કરી બતાવશે, અને બીજું ઓપ્શન છે એડ ન્યૂ, ધેન કેટેગરીઝ, ધેન ટેગ. તો અહીંયા ઓલ પોસ્ટની વાત કરું તો મારી જેટલી પણ જૂની પોસ્ટ છે બધી બતાવશે. અને અહીંયાથી હું સિલેક્ટ કરીને એડિટ કરી શકું, ક્વિક એડિટ, કોપી અથવા તો ડિલીટ કરી શકું છું, વ્યૂ કરી શકું. ધીઝ આર ધી ફેસિલિટી. બલ્ક એક્શનમાં પણ કરી શકું છું. તો આ જૂની પોસ્ટ છે જેને હું ચેન્જ કરી શકું છું. નવી પોસ્ટ માટે મારે શું કરવાનું છે? એડ ન્યૂ. અહીંયાથી પણ જઈ શકો છો તો એડ ન્યૂમાં, અહીંયાથી પણ જઈ શકો છો એડ ન્યૂ. તો એડ ન્યૂ કરીએ છીએ. ટાઇટલ આપણે લખ્યું છે COC મટીરિયલ. લખીશું કે યોર MCQ based questions will be displayed soon. This way we can write, and then you can see your publish is there. તો અહીંયાથી આપણે પબ્લિશ કરી દઈએ. હા, બીજું અહીંયા બોલ્ડ વગેરે કરવું હોય તો અહીંયાથી તમે MCQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, बोल्ड અને અંડરલાઈન કરી શકો, કલર આપી શકો. અને લિંક બનાવવું હોય તો લિંક કરી શકો તમે. MCQ બેસ્ડ ક્વેશ્ચન ફ્યુચરમાં જ્યારે મારી પાસે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ હશે તો હું અહીંયા લિંક કરી દઈશ. તો અને પછી આપણે પબ્લિશ. તો COC મટીરિયલ ઇઝ ઓન ઇઝ નાઉ લાઈવ. તો લાઈવ જોવા માટે અત્યારે આપણે અહીંયા ચેક કરો કે શું છે, WP એડમિન છે. તો આ પાર્ટ તમને કંટ્રોલ પેનલ એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશનમાં લઈ જાય છે. આટલો પાર્ટ તમને વ્યૂ કરાવો. વાત કરતો તો this is the URL where you can see the current view of your blog. So I am opening another tab and you can see that new post is visible over here, written here, COC material, your MCQ based questions will be displayed soon. Can you see that, everyone? So this way you can write your post, and to delete that post I will go to administration area, admin panel. Okay, we can go back, WP admin. So after this URL doshiprinc76wordpress.com, if I write WP admin, I am already logged in, so WP-admin will allow me to go into that dashboard and I can have this page. I can save the key draft over here. These are at glance. I can see my statistics, number of posts and all these things. And these are the comments and other things. Now post categories. Now you can see the post category. These are all categories. I want to add new category. So COC. Wait. Yeah, so this way I can make new category, add new category. I'm adding COC e-marketing and then description, then add new category. Now for going to all posts, I can COC e-material, then edit. Edit in classic editor. Here you can see category option. I choose remove from uncategorized to COC e-marketing and then update. Again, you can get one category COC e-marketing, and in this category you have one post. So whenever I want to I want to publish any post related to COC, I can choose the category COC marketing, and then after clicking that, I can go to all posts which are under this category. So this way I can post under a category. Now in media, for example, we are discussing that WordPress.com. So here in media, we can view the library. Right now, these are the six minimum of around 6 GB or something. I can have space even by the WordPress that is free, and I have PDF files. I have some DOC files, some pictures over here. I can have some videos. How to upload? So that is very simple thing. Add new, select file. So this way we can add any image, or we can add videos from the option add new, select file. This type of MP4 files are not permitted, and then you can see the 3 GB is maximum limit of this library. You can add new things, new pictures, and you can link also. So if I want to link this Satmia, I can get that thing from here. Copy URL to clipboard. So I copied it and I can paste on my link. So here this I get that all COC material, classic editor. I can have logo of Atmi, and this is what I can paste here. So this way I can attach the link and then publish. Update. Don't forget to update. After this, you can view, refresh required. Another tab showing you view. So logo of Atmiya is there now, and I can click on that. I can open the logo this way. So I have shown you that how you can post and publish, and links are there, editing you can do. Okay, so this way you can work with the WordPress dashboard. Then actually when this is the my URL and this is WP-admin. WP-admin will give you all beginning options of dashboard. And now after the media, there are some links, all links, and new links you can add. So those links you required frequently, you can add them or you can store them. These are all useful links. Link category you can manage. I have around 8 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I can add and delete any page. So for different purpose, I can have different page. Here I am adding new page. I am adding. Okay, this way I can. Here I about it, and then introduce yourself or whatever, or you can choose this one. ક્લાસિક એડિટરમાં આપણે પેજ લઈએ છીએ, ન્યૂ પેજ, page title. I prefer classic editor. Page title, COC, e-marketing. So I can search. Yeah, I will teach you how to install. That is in the WordPress.org. There are two types of WordPress. One is WordPress.com. That is we are using right now, WordPress.com. And the second thing, this is ready-made handy tool. Yesterday I told you. And second thing is WordPress.org. So WordPress.org link I am showing you. WordPress.org. So this is the site I am showing you, this one, wordpress.org. From where there you can download this software. So this is the wordpress.org. This is different thing, and that I want to link to download software of WordPress. So that is nothing but wordpress.org. Insert and edit link. Clear? So this is the simple thing that I am doing over here. This is ready-made handy tool, but .com and .org different. I'm starting with .com, and then I will show you .org. Then update it. Don't forget to update and publish. Okay, I'm publishing the page. This is my page. Don't forget it. This is not a post. And then what? All pages. Where it goes, I don't know. COC. Where is COC? Yes, this one. This is COC marketing over here. Where it is. So here I can see COC marketing is in the top. It is in the top. Can you see that? COC marketing is in the top. So I can click over here and I can open it. Can you see that? દેખાય છે બધાને? Okay. અને હું ક્લિક કરીશ અને I can open that page. Page open થઈ ગયું. અહીંયા લખ્યું છે COC marketing અને અહીંયા લિંક આપેલી છે કોની? Link to download software of WordPress. તો અહીંયાથી wordpress.org ઓપન થઈ જશે. Got it or not? સમજ પડી બધાને? So pages છે આ page છે. This is not a post. This is a page. અહીંયાથી આપણે આગળ વધીએ અને આપણે આને આ કોર્સીસમાં મૂકી દઈએ. અબાઉટ પછી છે એને આપણે કોર્સીસમાં કેવી રીતે મૂકી શકીશું? In appearance and menu. So you can see here my COC marketing is after the about on the top level. I will move it and go under the course. First option will be COC marketing. So how I did it? I have created this page, then I went to appearance, then menus, and then I adjusted my page. Then don't forget to save menu. Here you can see the most recent. All the things can be controlled over here. You can have category of pages, all this. Just view again, refresh. Now it disappeared from the top menu and you can see the courses and then it is available. So course COC e-marketing. Understood this? સમજાયું બધાને? Say yes or no. Got this? કેવી રીતે કર્યું પેજ? તો ફરી કરું. પેજ ક્રિએટ કરતા આવડી ગયું છે? Do you know how to create page? Here we have page option, new page, first you create any this is not a classic, I prefer classic one. Okay, add new. Classic editor. Add new. And it is going to directly block editor. Attempt recovery, and then again I'm trying. See, it should ask us for block editor, classic editor. You can add title over here. You can use e-marketing videos. COC videos. COC videos and something you write. You will get all video links over here, and then publish. And you can see overview and check whether it is displayed or not. Here you can see it. Some menus. This one. I got this COC videos option over here. So when you make a page, it goes to menu. Clear? And then if you don't want this option over here, you can put it into the courses. How? Go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you have appearance. In appearance, you can select menu. Click on that. Identify the COC video page, and you want to move it under the courses. So after the COC marketing, I will shift this. This way. And then don't forget to save menu. And then you can check it over here and refresh. It goes, and then COC videos over here. So COC marketing is a page, COC video is page, which is under the courses. Yes, new. If you want to make a blog for news, like current news on air, then you can add links of Twitter, Facebook, Instagrams over here. Yes, when we paste any link, see, this is the WordPress word where I have pasted the link of wordpress.org. So link you can anything. You can paste any link and then user will click on this and open that link. So this way you can give better options to your users. So here what I want to tell you, that link can be anything. You can attach any link to any word and that will be work efficiently. Now next will be, again we are going to our admin, WordPress admin, in short WP-admin. So here I'm not interested in this WP-admin. I'm opening here. Appearance is very interesting thing. First of all, theme, because we have yesterday discussed some theme. I have checked chalkboard theme and change it to any other theme. Suppose you are making a site for news, you can use any other theme. So these all are themes given to you. You can choose it. Theme details activate. If I activate it, then it comes. So I want to choose something interesting. Okay, let's take this one. So I changed the theme. Then I will check the website. Now my website looks like this. My WordPress menus are given over here. You can see here. This is the home, this is the courses, and everything is changed. My title, all these are categories and posts. First by recent post given over here. CUC marketing. So these are the, if you want to change the layout of this, then you can do. Customize. In Appearance, you can go to customize. Here, what do you want to customize? First of all, menus. In Appearance, you can go for background. Menu widgets. Yeah. So here I want to go to the setting. You can have these all things over here. General setting, writing, reading, discussion. You should read this and change it accordingly. You can import and export tools over here. You can what plugins? Plugins are some automated software, some kind that you can use it. So these all are some features you can add. My voice is audible to all of you? You can theme is same for all, but you can change color and customize your pages. You can change and Yeah, you can do minute change in the pages. So all options are given over here. You can do that. Plugins, you can install the plugins. If you want form, you can download and install that form. But why it is not enabled? Because of the uh, business plan. You can see that this form, if you want any data from the user, we can get this form. You can install it and you can use it. You can have form and detail. You can get details from users, but it is for the business plan. Yeah, we can have different color, different pages, and we can apply it. All settings are possible from here. So I want to go admin panel, so I will copy this and paste over here and write down wp-admin. So these are all things, and you can use it, customize appearance. So you can try this, you can use it first of all, then you will go for org. So these options you can use. We will see this org, all these things we will again use in the our main wordpress.org. We will download the software and we will use it. Okay, so this way we can do. You can see comments over here. When user gives you comments, then you can approve, you can reply, you can unapprove, you can create polls, ratings. I want to take one plugin which is free. This is also for business plan. Okay, these are the minimum things that I have shown you, and you can do it in depth using this WordPress software. So you can ask me any question you have, then we will take attendance. Okay, so